thing you saw us doing was about to go to sleep last night. We arrived here a couple of hours before we went to sleep. It was dark already and we didn't get to see anything. So it was dark and we were expecting rain. And about 4:30 this morning, we woke up to rain. And then when we woke up this morning, it was overcast and all we could hear was the creek flowing through. So I'd say that was a great night's sleep and we have a full day of camping ahead. So after taking in the sights this morning and kind of waking up, we decided it was time for coffee. So we got our coffee out and got that going and just hung out. Got breakfast going. While we were getting breakfast going, the guys were hanging out in the creek. Rumi's favorite thing about this campsite is this running creek right next to our tent. He has had a blast already. It is starting to get cold, so I don't know how long he's going to be able to play in it, but he enjoyed it this morning. So after they played in the creek, breakfast was served. We had pancakes and eggs and coffee, and it was quite delicious. How's your food?
So we just got through exploring the property, and the property owner came by as we were getting ready to eat a little bit of lunch and talked to us about the property and things that they've got going on. But she also mentioned a lot of hiking trails that they do have here. So after lunch we decided we was probably going to go hiking, but it has started raining, so now we're just fixing to get in the tent, relax, wait for the rain to go through, and then figure out what we're going to do after that.
So we took a little bit longer of a nap than expected. No, not Wade. He got out and I don't know what he did all day. But all afternoon, McAllister, Remy, and I kind of hung out in our tents and slept and relaxed. And it was quite nice. The rain was unexpected and we wanted to go on a hike, but I think we can do that tomorrow before we leave. But we just relaxed. And now we're up, we've got a fire going, and we're just kind of hanging out before dinner.